Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're already here, you know the drill. So let's see you Wagwan. So we're in the lovely Marmaris, Icmeler. We're just going to take a little walk around. Again, if you're new to the channel, we go all over and we like to see what's going on, what you can get, whether it's the cheap bargain or you want the most expensive excursions, nightlife, everything. Don't forget to comment below if you've already been here, if you want to come here, or if there's anything you want us to do going forward. Deluxe Mirage World. So you can rent all of these out. Most of them we've been offered have been about 25 a day, 20, so do shop around. They can go quite fast as well. Most of the time you can't go on the promenade because there's barricades, but they get you from A to B, especially if you're doing this back to Marmaris where we're staying. Hi. There you go, cocktails, buy one, get one free. Prices are quite good. I know a few people have said to us whilst we've been here, the prices have sort of increased. We've noticed that's increased sort of everywhere. That it used to be dirt cheap here. But I don't think it's too bad. And again, it's depending on what you want and what you're doing. So if you are on a budget, I think it's fine. We've got our hotel for like a real bargain. There you go, discount supermarket. So what have you got in there? Glasses, got your flip-flops. It's a nice car, isn't it? A little Jeep. What's that? Pub Wonder, dance bar, kebab house. Got a taxi rank. Alibaba. Sportswear. Lots of steakhouses as well. Obviously, we don't eat meat. Oh, $6.99 for breakfast. That's actually quite expensive. We've seen it a lot cheaper in other places. So do shop around. This showed a picture actually. We tried those, didn't we? And they're really nice. Yeah, they're the cheese. What are they called? Cheese rolls. Cheese rolls, yeah. You're welcome. Thank you very much. Yeah, they're really nice. Steakhouse Amigos. Another steakhouse there. They do Turkish mez plate there, that's good. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, so we like a Greek mez plate, so they do a Turkish one as well. Kebab house. Thank you. There you go, they're keeping it clean. Thank you. And I went to hang out, and then you got Ottoman Silver, 925. Have a little tattoo place. I don't think that one's open at the moment. Look at those views, gorgeous. Right, so it looks like we're coming down to another little sort of like area of shops, restaurants. Well, there's little ducks down there. Deja vu. George Bar, Geordie, there we go. ATMs there as well if you do want to get out some lira. Hello. So all your designer bags, trainers. What's that over there? Another trainers, Thomas Boutique, hairdressers. Oh, that sun's really out now. Hello. Oh, absolutely roasting. Ruby, fine jewellery and diamonds. And then you got clothes store down there. Your football tops, hats and everything that you need. Whole little row actually going along there. That's near the Ibis Hotel.
Boss, this Ruby gold. Come here, please.
Yeah, of course.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Oh, I am. Thank you. Have a good day.
Cheers.
Bye. Have a good day.
Have a good day. Thank you. Cheers. We've got a dance bar.
Yes,
Hiya.
please. Come on, Envy Bar.
Envy Bar.
Envy Bar menu. And best family bar. Everything of each other. Nice, beautiful, better. Envy Bar. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice time.
You too. There you go, a little Grand Bazaar down there. You've got a shopping centre. So if you're on this area, you've got lots of options. Big Man textile and bag. And then you've got No Name Bar down there. Sometimes you just don't know what the name is. Don't need a name. What's this? Another little bar, restaurant. Got a Costa there, supermarket. Yep, fish and chips. There you go. Got a fillet, chicken sheesh. Nice. And got your fried breakfast as well. So in a little roundabout here, so you've got loads of options. Got like a masala down there. Change office if you do want to change up some cash. Yeah, we're going to go check out the Indian, so we're going down towards the masala. So you've got your Motown. Oh, they do gluten-free, that's good. There you go, you can get your Support Lewis Ferrari jacket. Star Kebab and House. Simone's Diamonds. As it's Chinese and Indian cuisine, 4-course, starter, chicken dishes, side dishes, coffee or a tea for only $14.99. It's not bad. There we go. What have they got? And then you got the Chinese as well. Looking for paneer. There we go, almost as cheap, not as cheap as what we found earlier. So drought beer, 100 lira. And that's at Mint Lounge drink and food.
Oh, okay. The most. You please, sir, Mr. How are you? Very good.
We're good, thank
I'll
you.
take my picture. Yeah.
Yeah.
Where are you gonna put all that? Next week.
YouTube.
All through next week. Be one video per day.
Really?
Yeah, from next week. Come on, your
I
bar.
will put the Instagram.
YouTube.
YouTube?
Yeah.
Really?
So,
Everyone,
what is
hello.
this? So we got the mint.
Come on everybody, we are the Mint Bar. We are ready for you. We are for the season. Thank you very much when you come here. We are ready for you.
Perfect.
We love you. Thank you.
That's got a big pool table in there. So nice strawberry daiquiri in there. So I was talking about that earlier because we tried the best strawberry we've ever tasted in our life in Marmaris, Turkey. So we've got a British bar over there, cocktails, dance, burger, pasta, breakfast, pizza, the full whack. What's over there? Greenhouse shopping. Good prices in there. Oh, we've got the Champagne Steakhouse. Yes, please. Restaurant Lighthouse. So again, another little steakhouse. Another restaurant, IDA. Hopefully that's how you say it. Don't know if this one's open next door. No, I think this one's closed. Bonjour. Somewhere to get some more bags. It's quite a lot. You've got Cheers over there again. It's always got to be a Cheers somewhere, isn't there? Daisy Cocktails and Dance Bar, Nico Shoes and Bag. Going again to like another main road here. So yeah, this is another little area. So we're in Icmeler. We just sort of stumbled across this. Let me know if you've stayed here before. This is our first time here. And again, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Really helps get the content going. Thanks so much. Hope everyone's well. See you on the next one.